give a big welcome to Mark.
Hello everybody. I go by the name of Mark, and I'm from Mfako, Harare, Zimbabwe. DJ, whenever you're ready, first song. Let's go.